Hi friends, in this video let us see how to reverse the order of the list in Excel. If you have sample data like this with top 10 programming languages, and let us try reversing the order of this list. Simple method, if you have the serial numbers as a helper column, just select any of the cells in the serial number column and go to the editing group and click on sort and filter button and click on largest to smallest. Then you can see that both the columns B and C are reversed. Got it? Now reset this exercise. Let us try now using a formula. In cell F4, type the formula as equals to index, open the parenthesis, select the range as C4 to C13, comma, rows, open the parenthesis, select again the same range C4 to C13. Now, in the first range, log both the references and inside the rows, log only the C13 cell reference. Close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as F hash, which is exactly the last entry. Now drag this cell to the last cell F13 and you will observe that the entire list has been converted into a reverse order. It is cool, right? So friends, in this way one can reverse the order of the list in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.